Today I'm going to show you the mobile app for iPad, iPhone, and also Android devices for pest routes. This is a really cool app for your sales team that allows you to not only go digital with your contracts, but also to handle all of your scheduling. It automates the scheduling process, and then also collects all of your stats and data so that in real time you can see exactly how your sales team is doing, and all of your sales reps can see how the team is doing. It really helps to build competition, also camaraderie. So let me show you real quick how it works. Basically, when you get to a customer's house, you're going to set them up with a new contract. I'll show you one of these pre-configured ones. So you'll hand the iPad over to them. They'll put in their name, their phone numbers. I'll give him a little fake one here. And also an email address, which is important because that's where a copy of the contract is emailed to as soon as this is finished. They can put in their address, their zip code, and then your sales rep can put in the map page and then also the tax rate. From there you can put in the actual contract information. So the sales rep from here will say something along the lines of, initially this should be costing $174. Today only we'll give you a discount of $122, meaning that your initial total is $52. We're going to follow up after 30 days, 12-month agreement. We're going to be coming out alternate monthly, which means that it'll be every 60 days, and that regular price will be $89. Save and continue. You'll collect the payment information for the customer, and then they'll have an opportunity to review the service agreement, which is completely customizable by you. It's really cool because you can make this look however you want, so it matches your current service agreement. It also automatically generates the service schedule with the amounts involved. It tells you what your total initial with taxes, what your recurring with taxes, and what's due today, and what was paid today. It reminds them that it's a one-year agreement, so there's no confusion on that. It requires them to check this box, which says they agree to the terms, and then they just have to sign in this little box here and push sign agreement. This automatically stores a copy of this contract in its exact form on your server, and then emails the customer a copy of the contract. It's really cool because it gives them a digital contract that they can either store on their computer or print out, and then also digitally stores that contract on your server. At that point, you can go ahead and schedule the customer. So all you do is you come to the scheduling tab, select a customer, pick a time, and push schedule. And it will schedule that customer for that date. It'll refresh the availabilities as well so that all of your sales guys in the entire field know what times are available. And then it will update this leaderboard, and it will show the sales for today. You can also see any group or time period that you'd like. So if I want to see how the sales team is doing for this year, these are the stats for my team. I can also see stats based on my office, if you've got multiple teams, or your company if you've got multiple offices. This works very well with multi-office companies that want to be able to share data. And you can also group them by different things. So if you want to see how your team stacks up to other teams, you can just group it by teams. And this will show you all of the different teams in the company and how they stack up against each other. And then as you click on them, you can see the breakdown of sales guys. Gary Crofts looks like he's had the breakout summer and is outperforming everybody else. You can see his sold numbers, his service numbers, auto pay percentage, contract values, and then when you click on it, you can also see some more information, like his best sales day, his power hour. He sells most of his accounts at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and then some other information as well. Anyways, that's a brief overview of the app for pest routes. I hope you enjoyed.